Hi guys, it's me again, Fullerton Professional Organizing, and my name is Carrie, and we are going to talk about decluttering your business now. So, today we're busting the myth that business equals chaos. Let's dive into the world of professional productivity and uncover the surprising secret weapon, which is decluttering your business environment. Get ready to transform your workspace. Streamline your schedule. Those schedules are stressors. And watch your success start to soar. Now, the enemy of business efficiency. Now, picture overflowing mountains of paperwork, and desktops teeming with sticky notes. This clutter isn't just an eyesore, it's a productivity killer. Now, here are the things that research shows us about clutter. 1, impairs focus, 2, raises stress levels, and 3, wastes precious time. So let's talk about impairs focus. Visual distractions eat away at our attention, slows down our tasks, and increasing errors. Now, how does it raise stress levels? The constant reminder of unfinished work or disorganized spaces takes a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. How does it waste precious time? Well, you spend more time searching for misplaced documents or lost files. The lost files cost valuable minutes that could be dedicated more to productive work. Now, let's talk about from mess to mastermind, decluttering for success. We're going to talk about tame the paper tiger, master the desktop maze, and 3, conquer the email avalanche. Now, taming the paper tiger. Implement digital solutions for documents. Scan important records and shred outdated paperwork regularly. Master the desktop maze. That's number 2. Organize files into relevant folders. What I mean by this is, and it can be digital folders or physical folders. Think about the alphabet, but let's implement it this way. If you have a file area for clients, put the word client at the front if it's digital. That way, when you type in client, all your clients will show up. Now, you can find all of them in one place. Doctors, Dr. So-and-so. Or if it's a networking event and you met a new networking business, you're networking with a new business and it's networking, put networking and their names. Now, you can change that if they change to becoming a client, but this way you can find everything all in one space. Now, paper files, those are more visible, so they should also be alphabetized. But let me start with master the desktop maze again, just in case. Let me talk about that. Organize files into relevant folders, utilize trays for ongoing projects, and clear your surfaces for focused work. Only thing that should be on the top of your desk are the things that you use all day long, every day. You don't want to have to open your drawer every 5 minutes to take out the stapler if you use the stapler every 5 minutes. But if you only use it once or twice a day, you want that in a drawer. Okay? Now, conquer the email avalanche. This one is a struggle for all of us. Unsubscribe from unnecessary lists. Prioritize messages. Maybe only take care of email messages in the morning, right before lunch, and right before you go home. Don't spend all day answering messages. And establish a system for responding and archiving those emails. Now, time taming techniques. Declutter your schedule. And here are 3 ways to do that as well. Okay? Embrace the power of prioritization. Utilize time management tools. And learn to say no if possible. Of course, you have to know when you can say no and when you can't. Now, embracing the power of prioritization. That'll help you with your no's. Identify your most important tasks. Delegate when possible. And schedule work in focused blocks to avoid multitasking mayhem. Utilize time management tools like calendars, planners, productivity apps. I have a planner that has all my to-dos for the whole week, whether it's personal, business, whatever. Although you can categorize it into faith priorities, home priorities, and business priorities. And then in the middle, it has days of the week where you can divide out your top 3 priorities every day. And then it has the calendar, the part at the bottom with all the time slots. What are you going to do at this time and this time? Do you need a meeting at this time? All of that is all on one page. Then you have the monthly. Okay? So that is a productivity calendar for me, but those apps work as well. They can help you visualize your schedule, set deadlines, and avoid the feeling of being overwhelmed. Now, learning to say no. Setting boundaries and politely declining non-essential commitments frees up valuable time for your priorities. Now, next, we're going to talk about going from clutter to clarity, or turmoil to tranquility, the business benefits. Now, by decluttering your workspace and schedule, you reap a harvest of benefits. 1, enhanced productivity. 2, reduced stress. 3, improved communication and collaboration. Now, let's talk about enhanced productivity. Focused work environments and prioritized schedules lead to increased efficiency and output. Number 2, reduced stress. Start with a smile. Feeling organized and in control lowers your anxiety and fosters a more positive and productive work environment. Number 3, improved communication and collaboration. Clear workspaces and focused schedules facilitate better communication and collaboration with your business colleagues or your coworkers or your employees. Now, remember, decluttering your business isn't just about tidying up. None of this decluttering is just about tidying up. It's about creating a space and schedule that empowers you to thrive. So grab your dustpan, embrace your inner organizer, and watch your business blossom as you declutter your way to success. Now, share your experiences with business decluttering and time management in the comments below. What tips have helped you create productive, organized work environment? What's working for you? But also, what is not working for you so I can help you there? But help us all by telling us what is working. Let's inspire each other on this journey to declutter our businesses and unlock our full potential. All right, guys, if you want more tips, go to Instagram, Fullerton Pro Organizing. Find more tips on Facebook, Fullerton's Professional Organizing. Look me up so you can get more information. All right, I will see you on the next one.